Okay, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy repair to do on your washing machine. Your agitator. Sometimes your agitator may work improperly. It may twist and it's not moving the bottom part of this big screw in there like it's supposed to. So what you have to do, this is your fabric softener dispenser. It will be locked onto your machine on the top, on the very top of the agitator. All you have to do is take this ring, pull it up, and then pull this piece off. May be on there a little bit snug, but just wiggle it and pull it a little bit. It should come right off. Next, there's a cap on the top of your agitator. This cap right here, it won't come off that easy. I'm just got it on there very loosely for video purposes. This cap with a little screwdriver, put it under the edge of it and it should peel right off. That's all plastic. Next will be your agitator itself, the top part of it. You need a 7/16 wrench and a pretty long socket to go down in there. And take that off. You just unscrew that bolt, be counterclockwise. Then your agitator comes out. So I want to show you the agitator for a minute. The agitator has teeth in the inside here. If you can see these little grooves, these are where your little teeth, there's 4 little teeth that connect to these, and when this thing moves and moves down like it does in the motion that it does, these little teeth right here catch and they cause this thing to turn. If the little teeth on here, which are mostly plastic, wear out, then they have to be replaced because this will stop turning. That's what happens. So the very top part of the agitator is what contains the teeth. So these little guys right here are the legs. They're the little teeth that hook into those little notches that I was just showing you. Now all we have to do to take these off is that it has a little retainer ring right here. You take a little pair of pliers and just pull this out a little bit. They're clipped in a little notch on these corners. Pull it out and pull it up, and these little guys will see how it's open. It'll slide right out. This ring is the only thing that's holding it in there. So you slide your old ones out and put your new ones back in, and just slide this little ring up far enough to do that. Put your new ones in just like they are in there, and you see these little teeth on here? I don't know if you can see them, but they're what grab, and they're the thing that wears out. If you touch yours and they're smooth, but you can't do it unless you take it off. And not all wash machines are the same. They're the same but different. Now remember, when you put this back together, you see these slots right here? These little slots they're in there because they slide down onto a pole that's got these slots on the inside. So make sure this is what actually makes your agitator work. And if any of that is wore out down here on the bottom, that could cause your agitator to stop as well. So check out the top part of this and check the little teeth out on these. These are the things that wear out the most. And they're only maybe, I think these were $3 for all 4 of them. So less than $1 a piece. And you're good to go for umpteen hundred more washes until they wear out again. So, but just put it all back together in the reverse order. Just snug your bolt down in the middle pretty good. You don't have to really get it super tight or anything. But remember, your agitator goes in, then your little cap goes in the top of that, but it only turns one way. Then you have your little screw. And remember to line up the little slots when you get it inside the machine. Make sure you can see the slots on the inside of the machine. You can see the pole right there. See the slots on the inside? That's what you have to line up with. So just keep that in mind when you're putting it all back together. Don't tighten your bolt too tight, and put your cap back on, and then your dispenser goes back on the top of that. Pull your ring down. You should be all set to start washing clothes again. Hope this was helpful.